In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a workplace to your profile in Facebook. To add a workplace, first click Edit Profile, scroll down, and at the Details section, click Edit. Then over here, you'll notice the Work option here, Work button, so click Add Work. And here you want to just add the location of like where you work and the place. So let's just say I work in Toronto. Okay, so I'll just choose like Toronto, Ontario, for example, and then you could add the job title. Let's say cashier, clerk, cashier, and then the location. If you want to add your specific location, you could add like the street number and everything. So I'll just keep this empty. You could describe your work here if you want. I work at, let's say, Target. Save. And oops, let me just finish this. Okay, and then you'll see you could add the time from where you started working. So you can basically adjust this. You started working in like a different year, let's say from 2021 September 19, and you can also adjust the privacy of who can see this information. And then after you're done, you can just click save right here, and just click save again. And this is how you basically change your workplace in Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.